Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is Super Swing Trader. I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks and forex. With that being said, let's take a look at Dave and Buster's Entertainment, stock ticker symbol PLAY, play, traded on the CBOE network. Now, this is an update from a previous video that I made a few weeks ago saying that prices dropped too much, it's going to rally, and we're starting to see that rally taking place. It's got a monthly bearish pin bar here, but but it just cannot go any lower just because price is so low already. It's like going to the supermarket and there's a piece of wine bottle that is $10 and now it's $5. You want to buy 2 bottles now because it's so cheap. So that's what the hedge funds and professional traders are doing now. They're trying to buy up this stock when it is cheap. So it doesn't matter what the economy is doing. The economy is not the stock market. It doesn't matter what the local governments are doing, what the federal governments are doing with shutting down restaurants and whatnot. It's just pure supply and demand and price action. So traders see that this is cheap and they're buying it up. Not just retail traders like you and me. It is professional traders, hedge fund traders, big banks, institutions. They're all wanting to buy this stock up because it's so cheap. All right, okay. So take a look at the weekly chart. We have a clear uptrend. It's also formed this weekly demand zone that broke all-time highs right here, and it's got lots of room to go up to this supply zone on the higher time frame zones. On the daily, we have a very strong area of demand down here. So price wants to go down here. This is our entry to go up. Now just remember, I am a retail trader. I am not a professional trader, so please make your own decisions and please do your own analysis. And anyone can tell you where to buy and sell, but you have to have the emotional mentality, emotional energy, and the emotional fitness and mental fitness to hold it through these zones. You have to have a lot of screen time, a lot of experience to be confident in the method and to have the confidence to hold it through these zones, because when price drops here, price can get cheaper. It could break through it. It could do a lot of things. It can do anything. The market doesn't pick and choose who it wants to help. So you have to be confident on these zones, and one way I do that is I go through a lot of back testing. There's a lot of screen time on charts, so you have to put in your time to do that. If you're interested in this trading platform or in my backtesting software that I use, the links to both of those are in the description below. So just a quick recap. The monthly, we have price reaching all-time lows, lots of room to back up to this upside, to this supply zone. Weekly, we have a new area of demand created down here, and price is slowly going up. Price is just making these ways higher highs up. Daily, we have this strong area of demand down here. Very good opportunity to go long if the market does want to give us that. Okay, so this is it for the analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click on the bell so you get notified on new videos I release in the future. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. As always, I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.